Take a full size paper, mark the width of this paper. We will take 18 centimeters, that is approx 7.1 inches. Then mark at 6 centimeters like this, and at 8 centimeters, and the third portion we will take is of 4.5 centimeters. Cut the remaining portion. Now again mark at 1 centimeter from both the end. And score the line like this. Now score the line using the scoring tool and fold like this. Now we need to cut these portions. The portions which I have marked, we need to cut that. Now cut here. Line at the marked lines so that we can band our paper. Now remove marks. Now take two pattern papers, or you can take any. I've taken off this design. This is 15 centimeters cross 7 centimeters, and this will be sticking here at the main portion of our envelope, and this portion will be coming here like this. The same way we will stick the another part. Now we will stick this portion over here. Corner punch. We will cut the corners to give it a beautiful shape to the corners, like this way. 3 centimeters cross 18 centimeters paper, like this way. This, like this. Keep it little loose than the actual size of the envelope to take it off easily. Let's stick this. It has to be a little loose than the actual envelope size so that we can take it off easily, like this. Circles out of 3 different papers. First, I'm using this dark shade of purple. This is 3 centimeter in radius. Then the another we will take is of 2.5 centimeters in radius, and the last one will be 2 centimeters. Now let's cut this off. Like this way, we will stick all the 3. Now let's add, as we have made this for birthday purpose, so we will add happy birthday in this way. stick this over this portion, that is the strip we had made. Our envelope for the birthday purpose is ready.